Hello guys, how's everyone doing today? Gonna get this stream going here. Loading up a couple things and we should be all set. Sorry, I know it's a little late today. So, last stream we were able to get the enemy power-up effects to work on the player. So that was good. I'm not sure that we got stun to completely work. That's something I want to look at. Hello. Good to see everyone. Good for everyone to see me. Oh, I'm still in my work attire today. But, yeah, so we got freeze to work. We got poison to work. The bomb already, the bomb just worked by default, I believe. Let me double check that. Let me double check to see if the bomb actually works. Let's open up Visual Studio. Let's open up this projectile script to see. No, I do not want to sign in. So if it's a bomb, and if it's not a wall, okay, so bombs hit everyone, so that works. I did just play this song, so we're gonna skip this. Okay. So. Let's see if we can test the stun. It should be working. I don't see why it wouldn't be working, but oh, that. Because what, every projectile has one then? Effects, no, projectiles. So on the projectile script, it has a stun time. Are they all set to 0? Is that the problem? Okay, so let's just do this. Let's copy the component. And then let's go ahead and paste it in here. Paste component is new. Okay. So then, for all of these, should be able to see a stun time. Let's do a stun time of 0.1 for every bullet. I want to make sure this works. And I want to make sure this copied over correctly to, even though it's not in. Okay. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and play this. My mouse is like lagging, like mega lagging, and I do not like it at all. Like it is so bad. Holy Christmas. Quite the song. Alright, I should hit a 1, see if that does anything. Okay. So I should hit a 0.5. And then I see dial back the knockback just a bit. Okay, so stun works. Now it's time to do the real stuff. Alright, this song is a little too much for me right now. A little too much. Although this song is called Rave Revival, so this might also be too much for me. We'll see. We'll see how this goes. Bro, I cannot. Hold on, give me a second. I cannot with my mouse right now. I don't know if it wasn't plugged in all the way or it's just bad, but it was really upsetting me. It was very, very much upsetting me. Okay. Alright, so it's still doing it. Man. This is terrible. I've like never had this issue before with my laptop. All right, so we got the rounds. I think this is not a bad idea. So there's two ways I could go about this also. I could either have I could just have all the spawners in a folder and drag and drop into the manager. Or actually, and all, no, they could be all children of an empty object. That corresponds to the round. Then drag and drop the round objects into the manager, and the manager turns on and off. This could be good. This could be good. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this scene and I'm going to duplicate it. And we're going to rename this to rounds scene. Then, man, all right, guys, I'm gonna be right back. Let me grab my water. All right, cool. So I need to have a rounds manager that's going to have a list of all the rounds objects. And each object is going to have all the info needed for the round. No enemies are left. Start a new round. Any in-between round events are managed by this, and then you're going to set a spawn limit for each round by calling the method in the game manager. Update UI to show the correct round. Spawn limit should be managed by who? No, I don't. Documenting my decision. Spawn limits stored in each spawner. Yeah, because this is where I kind of went over to here and I was like, it's going to be X amount of flies per round, and it's going to be per specific kind of fly. Okay, so let's just let's work on the first round. Do the round objects actually need to contain anything, do we think? What do we have here? Spawners that should be active for the round. No, so this round objects are they're just gonna be empty parent objects. Okay. So this should work. And the spawners have the enemy type, the spawn rate, the spawn limits, the location. This is making sense to me. Where's the canvas? Okay. Okay, so could we I wonder if we could, instead of doing a radius so it's circular, because what if we wanted it to be like anywhere in here, you know? Or what if it was like, oh, okay, that's not what I wanted to do. Not at all. What if it was like anywhere in here? Like anywhere in here, or like this area or something, where it's like an L shape, or not necessarily a simple shape. So I wonder if there's a way to pick a random spot inside a collider. So Unity 2D, get a random location within a collider. See if there's an easy way. Find the bounding box, pick a random point inside of that. So what you can do is get a random point. All right, so what does collider bounds min and collider bounds max do? That's the question, because that's what I'm seeing here being used. Where's collider 2D? Collider 2D.collider. Minimum and maximum bounds. Properties. I guess I'm gonna put this over here. Oh, dot bounds. So it's not in the properties. It's interesting. Is it in this properties bounds? Min and max, the maximum point of the box. This is always equal to center plus extents and center minus extents. Okay, so I think I know how we can do it. We just need to get the right script. Whatever the spawner script is, there we go. Okay, so here it does get random decimal multiplier and number of objects to get number between 0 and count. Okay, so I'm gonna say, let's do serialized field, spawn area. I'm almost positive that's how you do it. Oh, it's header, not serialized field. It's like pretty much the same thing. Whether it uses collider or whether it uses collider or let's say arbitrary circle for spawn area. And this is just gonna be a boolean, public bool uses collider, false by default. Then here we're gonna do private collider 2D yeah, because there's a lot of colliders, but I think this covers all the other ones. Just call it collider. collider equals get component collider 2D, except for I just want this to be collider. Oh, that's not possible. We'll do polygon then. Oh wait, yeah, no, that works. Doesn't have to be a box collider 2D, it's just a collider 2D. Okay, yeah, that's fine, it's fine, it's fine. I'm accepting that. Okay. Then, if it doesn't use a collider. Nope, 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 nope. If it does not use collider, then we want to do this. No. Gets random decimal multiplier of number of objects to get number between 0 and 1 count. 0 and count. So this sets the position. So this if does not use collider. Then you'd want to do this. But because it, okay, so then when it does use collider, you want to get float x position is going to be actually no, we'll do vector 3 min equals, do min position. Collider dot bounds dot min, and then do vector 3 max position. Wow, it actually did something right. That's crazy. Max position collider bounds max. Then let's just set this. Good. So then that's min, that's max. Then we're just gonna do spawn position equals new vector 3. And then we'll do random dot random is min inclusive and max exclusive. And then this is a min and max. Oh, that's deprecated. Okay. Yeah, we'll do this one. Random range. Min position dot x. Max position dot x. There we go. And then I feel like we just do 0 for this. Okay. This should work. And then where's the, yeah, do this. All right, cool. So now it should, we should be able to spawn collider hides inherited member component.collider. Alright, I guess we'll change this. Okay. Yeah, I didn't know that was an existing thing, but that's fine. Should be good. Oh. So let's have this one. Let's add a polygon collider 2D to this. And let's set it as a trigger. And then let's enlarge this. Quite a bit. Oh, I wanted to grab this one. Oh, this is actually not as big as I thought it was going to be. It's not as small as I thought it was going to be, sorry. And then let's check this there. And then, okay, let's do... let's spawn rate to 1, and then... Where's a special one? What's the spawn radius? Is 5. Let's put 1 here as well. And let's go ahead and get rid of these ones. Or no. Let's go ahead and just turn those off. Okay. Now, oh my goodness, my mouse can actually move. There we go. I really don't know what's going on. Like, this is trippy. I don't like it at all. Let's go to scene. Okay. Okay. This is matching the shape pretty well. It's going a little outside, but... Oh. Let's turn the game manager's max threshold to like 50. And then, or let's do 100. Then let's do this. I really kind of want the... I kind of want to spawn faster than that too. Okay, that's fine. That's honestly fine. I should do this though. What I should do is let's say do while spawn position. I guess it would be collider dot col dot overlap. Get a list of all colliders that overlap this collider. Check if okay. So yeah, this is exactly what I want. Perfect. So now what we're gonna do is take this and we're gonna edit this collider. We're gonna bring this in like this and like this way over here and then this way in here. And now it should still work well. Hopefully it should still work well. Let's see the scene. Okay. Yep, seems to be working well. All right, cool. So yeah, it seems to be working really well. We did it, ladies and gentlemen. We've done it. Now I just need to do the actual. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I should do. I think this is fine, honestly. Like I think we're okay. I don't want to over optimize. It's just a waste of time. Yeah, so let's do. Let's get rid of these two actually. And then both special and back. Let's add a component. Let's go ahead and add a box collider 2D. And then, because this will always go through once, it's an easy check. It's a good dub. It's a big dub. I'm gonna do this. I guess we don't have to make it go all the way up and down. And then the special spawner. Okay, so it is already bomb, freeze, multi-shot, poison. Oh, and then let's do this too. Spawn area, we have uses collider, spawn radius. Let's put all these up here. Oh, actually, yeah, this doesn't need to be up here. And then number of enemies this can spawn. Public int spawn limit equals 0. And then we'll do number of enemies this has spawned. It's private int spawn count. So then every update, oh actually no, every time it spawns, we'll do this at the very end. Spawn count plus plus. And then, oh no, didn't want to do that. Update spawn count. There's a little comment there. I actually heard something the other day that I didn't really. I heard something the other day that like makes a lot of sense and should be common sense, but I had never really thought about it that way before. And it was when you comment something in code, you should be writing why it's doing something, not what it's doing. Which is very interesting. Like, because you always, like, all my comments are what it's doing. Like, oh, this is getting a random decimal and multiplying the number of objects to get the number between the count or whatever. But like, even this, like, I have to like sit here and be like, okay, well, it's getting a random decimal multiplied by the number of objects to get them. I hate this. This mouse is frustrating me beyond all end. It's being so incredibly annoying. I don't know what it is. I took it out and put it back in, and it's just been a disaster since. So frustrating. But yeah, like, I write most of my comments, I feel like. I mean, like, this one, I guess, kind of, it's like, does this in order to get this. But I feel like a lot of my comments aren't like that. Which is interesting. Sorry, I'm just looking at something on the channel. Okay, sorry. So Now, if the spawn count is greater than the spawn limit, then just destroy this. So now we have a spawn rate or a spawn limit as well. So we said what? 4. So spawn rate is, yeah, let's do a spawn rate of 5, a spawn limit of 4, and let's go ahead and check this as well. I want to use the collider. Then this one, let's go ahead and actually just copy this component and put it on this one. And then we're gonna do that. And then our spawn limit's gonna be, what did I say, 10? Default enemies, spawn rate of 2. So it'll take 20 seconds to spawn all of these, and this is gonna take 20 seconds to spawn all of these. Okay, good. Good. We could also do something where it's like, let me put it on my to-do list actually. Oh, this works. And this works. Okay. What was I gonna say? Make the spawn time. Make the time between spawns a range. So that way it's not every 4 seconds it spawns. It's like, all right, between half a second, or between 1 second and 4 seconds, something spawns. Or between half a second and 2 seconds, something spawns. That way it's not 1, 2, 3, 4. Instead of that, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Or like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know, like it mixes it up a little bit. But that is, I don't want to focus too much on that right now, just because I want to get at least some of these rounds done. Okay, let's go ahead and let's add a component on here and call it round manager. Go ahead and open this up. Let's put that in there. Okay. I don't know why it would take a long time. That's kind of ridiculous. Round manager is right here. I like how this one script is lowercase, every other one is capital. That's horrendous. Okay, so we're gonna have a list of game objects called just the name is list. We're gonna call this rounds. Oh, it should be public. Awesome. And then I want to have a Give me a public reference to the game manager script. Why is it? I don't know why it's not like establishing anything. Does it not like this or what? Ah, it doesn't like this. There we go, that makes more sense. I was like, what is wrong? That's what's wrong. So something's gonna have to check it, right? Like something has to check whether it's 0 or not, right? Or no. Instead, we could do... Sorry, I'm petting my cat. Okay. Instead, whenever we do update kill count, no, update enemy count, you do if enemy count is 0, then you do bro. I don't want it to be kill enemy. This should be end round. And then since all enemies are off the screen, advance to the next round. All right. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. Go here. Public. Close private. Int current round equals actually 1. It should be 1. Actually, wait. I've done this before, and everyone say hi to Waffle. He said meow. Waffle, can you give us a meow? Oh, thank you. Thank you. That's so nice of you. He gave us a meow. Everyone say good job, Waffle. Everyone say thank you, Waffle. Everyone say thank you, Waffle. All right. So if on start we call next round. Oh wait, no, next round. I said it as I was typing it, and I still didn't type it correctly. Okay. Void. There we go. There we go. So what is next round gonna do? It shouldn't call next round. It shouldn't. That's just gonna mess things up. Yeah, start it at 1, and then just do everything that's in next round in start. But we're going to do rounds dot 1. Oh, see, interesting. Okay. So let's comment this actually. Let's do comments. So we're gonna first thing we have to do is go through all. Wait, no. Destroy. Deactivate. Because okay, so if I destroy it, then I think the list gets messed up. I don't really want that to happen, so we're not gonna destroy it. We're just gonna go with it. So deactivate current round, and this works. This will deactivate all children spawners. Even though, theoretically, you don't have to. But also... Wait, yeah, no, you don't have to at all. Let's just say... This is, honestly... irrelevant. Not BBC. Because, not British Broadcasting Channel. BC. Because this is honestly irrelevant because because the spawners are let's say self-destruct. Once their spawn limit is reached. But anyways, increment spawn count to round counter to activate the next round. So literally all you need to do is do rounds current round, or I guess it would be you want to do plus current round dot I think this actually just works. Like genuinely. Let's no, why did it do that? And only do this if let's actually only do if there is another round, which means if current round that's not accurate is less than rounds. It's another thing. Why don't I have anything for this? Does list not exist? Is list not an object that I can use? I don't know, bro. I think it's count. I think it would be rounds.count -1. I'm pretty sure that's what it would be. Because if you have 3 rounds, it's gonna be count is gonna be 3, and you don't want to do this when count equals 2. Correct? You want to do it when count is 0. Oh, also. Yeah, so you do -1, and then it's going to go, when it hits start, it's going to say, hey, if your current round is less than this, which it is, so then we're going to increment current round, and then set that to equal to active, so it's 0. And let's say you have 2 rounds. So now current round is equal to 0, count is equal to 1. And then you go through, next time you call it, you're going to say, hey, current round is 0. This is 1. So as long as it's less than the count. Because if you have 3 rounds, it's going to be 0, 1, 2. Gosh, okay, wait, hold on. So your list is going to be 0, 1, 2. And then your count is going to be... Okay, so increment it once, it goes to 0. Then increment it again, and it goes to 1. Comes back through and it says, yeah, it's less than 3, you're good. So increment it again to 2. Then it checks again and says, hey, is it less than 3? It says yes. So what about when we have 1? Or what about when we have... I just want to make sure I'm doing this right, because I always confuse myself when it comes to this. Every single time I confuse myself and I end up doing it wrong. But we have a list with 2 things. Right, so the count is 2. Then yo, how you doing? Oh my gosh, bro, Villain Whirl, thank you so much for the raid of 271. Thank you. That is insane, man. That is crazy. That is so crazy. Hey guys, how you doing? Thanks for stopping by. How was the previous stream? Greetings from the US. Argentina, go Argentina, indeed. Thanks for coming here, guys. Again, Valen World, thanks for the raid. That is insane. I cannot believe this. This is wild. I guess I gotta give a little bro, if you love programming, then we're in a good spot. We're in a good spot. I'm trying to make sure that I'm counting a list correctly and not gonna get an overflow error. So that's exciting. Let me give you the rundown of the game, guys. This is crazy. Hopefully this works. Let me make sure I don't have errors in here. We're gonna comment this out so we don't get any errors. Pro tip, guys, if you don't want errors, just comment things out. That is the best programming tip I can give you. All right, so let's see. We have end of file expected. I commented out the last. All right, even better pro tip when you're programming, don't comment out too many things to where it also doesn't work even more. Yeah. Hey Visa, I'm working on it. We should be good now. No, we are not good. Okay. All right. I have a. Where's game manager? Right here. We're gonna comment this out, and now things should work. Hopefully. We can only hope. All right. No more errors. Good. All right. So this is just a little arcade style game. Frog. You're shooting flies. Get to eat them. There's a couple different power ups we got here, but let's give this a show. Let me max my screen out. It's looking better. All right. Let's see. So right now, just for testing purposes, I got the poison power up when I start up, but that's not usually how it goes. These are the flies. They just be spawning in here. So go ahead and shoot them. You can eat some of them. And then now I have the purple power up. So now we're shooting. All these flies are for some reason. Oh. Plot twist, guys. Let me save this scene. This should be a trigger. They're all getting caught behind that. That's the problem. Also, guys, if you guys want to play this game, it's in the description. I actually made all the assets. I made all the assets in Krita myself, so I kind of want to do it. I kind of just wanted to do the whole thing, so I decided. I'm not an artist of any sorts, but I kind of want to just do the whole thing just to get the full experience. So I made all the assets, and I'm one day gonna do sound, but that's not gonna be done for some time. All right, so we're still running into an error here. They're all crowding. There's a collider somewhere. Okay. So what we're going to do here is, I actually copied this scene. We're going to go back to the other scene. This should be saved. I have to exit play mode. Mo717i7. Thank you. I started using Unity 6 years ago, I think. Yo, hey Visa, thanks for the shout out, man. But yeah, I started using Unity about 6 years ago. So I honestly didn't know Godot existed when I did that, and just because of that, I'm kind of just more accustomed to doing this. I know Godot. Yo, BR1 DME. Thank you for the follow. Man. Very much appreciated. That's a good one. Yeah, unfortunately, I do not speak Spanish. I really appreciate the raid, though. That's very nice. But yeah, that's why I'm not using Godot. Just because I started using Unity a long time ago when Godot was a little. Hey, I'll appreciate any kind of raids, bro. Any kind of raids, I'll appreciate. The game the game works in all languages. It's not. I don't have translations out yet, but you can still play it in every language. You just can't read the instructions, unfortunately. I apologize for that. But yeah, so that's why I don't do that. That's why it's not in Godot. Nothing against Godot. I haven't really used it at all, to be honest. It is interesting. I am interested though. It would be a cool thing to learn, I think. I want to go to scenes, and I want to go to this scene. This is a scene that actually works, guys. Open this up. Yeah, okay. This scene actually works. I promise. So here we go. So some of these so let's show off some of these power-ups here. If I can hit this guy. So I got some knockback, and then it does poison damage too. So if you go up here, eat this guy. This is freeze. Little stun there. So let's freeze. There's some problems. I've been changing a lot of stuff, so there are some problems. Unfortunately. But the game is bug-free on the website right now. That's linked in the description. But I'm working through a bunch of different changes right now. So everything is not completely up to par on my current version. Actually, why don't I just go... Let me go play the versions on the website. That would be so smart if I just did that instead of trying to do all of this. I should have done that right away, but oh well. This is my itch.io page. Let's get this full screen. Let's go and play this. So this is the actual working version of the game. All the features are not on here, but it is a lot less buggy. It's also a lot slower. There's a lot of things that I haven't done on here yet. I need to make an update to this. It's been a couple weeks. It might be actually be a month now. I cannot remember. Don't kill me. All right, let's see if I get a multi. Bro, if I get like a multi-shot or a bomb, that's when this gets hype. Give me that freeze. Yeah. See, there we go. So now the freeze actually works in this one. See, this one's so much better. And like the bombs. Yeah, there we go. Now we're cooking. Oh no, I wanted to eat that. That one's the multi power up. That one's kind of cool too. I like that one. But yeah, in the new one, I tried the game. The movement feels weird. Yeah, so as I said, I need to make an update to the website, because about 3 weeks ago, I think I tweaked the movement, and I like it better, but I gotta push it out to have other people try it, because it might still be weird. It's a lot slower in the browser. Everything feels slower. Everything feels so much faster. Yeah, no, Hey Visa, I know you did. And I know when you said that, I've touched it up since you said that, Hey Visa. But yeah, again, it's just, that's the main thing, is that I really should be pushing updates more often. I mean, when's the last? Yeah, so it's been almost a month. It's been pretty much a month now since I pushed an update. The issues with the assets. Yeah, that's very possible, Hey Visa. As I said, I made the assets in-house, so like they're not the best. They're good. They work. They get the job done. And yeah, you're right. The movement doesn't feel all that clean. But I think it's a lot better in this version. Obviously you can't feel it, but you can see it a little bit. It's just like it's a lot quicker. Even though for some reason the animations are messed up. Yeah, thank you. Appreciate that. Oh, interesting. So the animations are messed up. That's a new one. Why are the animations messed up? Let's throw this in here. Frog jump, frog move. I know a designer that might be able to help you for free. I mean, that'd be cool, honestly. Yeah, I mean, if someone's down to collab, I'm down. I really don't have a problem with that at all. Like, this game is really started out as like a learning experience for me, but I'll take it as far as it goes, man. I'll take it as far as it goes. What? What is? Okay, so it's this. I don't know why this is just blank. Yeah, same thing with this one. I don't know what happened there. I can't lie to you. I don't know what happened, man. Alright, let's see if this is better. What, Oh, yo, Jay Krobles. Thanks for the follow, man. Thanks for the follow. I didn't see that, but appreciate it. So how was the previous stream? What's Valen World streaming? I gotta go check them out now after that crazy raid. That was so appreciated, man. Can't stress it enough. Interesting. Okay, so it's going to moving. Yeah, see, these are some of the power-ups. See, this game I think is a lot. I think this one is a lot better. I think the movement's a lot better. I think the pace of the game is a lot better. She streams. Lane's developer from Argentina. She streams reacting to portfolios, learning JavaScript, other stuff. That's pretty sick. That's pretty sick. I'll definitely have to check her out. Definitely have to check her out. Visa, did you ever check out your Club Penguin remake, remaster, revival? Because that was pretty sick. That was definitely, it was just kind of like awe-inspiring. It's kind of crazy. All right, what do we got here? I don't know why it's not moving. Is it just because the... It might be just because this is so high. I don't know how this all got messed up. I really don't. Like, this is kind of silly that it did. Hope everyone's having a good day, or yeah, what is it, like midday in Argentina? Interesting. 2040. So it's was it 840? Oh dang. Okay, that's what time it is for me too. Visa. Cool, cool, cool. Well, I hope everyone's having a good whatever time of day you're having. Appreciate you guys sticking around for this. Alright, this is kind of boring. Let's not do this. Let's go back to the fun stuff. Yo, Lil Carlos. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for the follow, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Alright, let's go ahead and uncomment this out. So what I'm trying to do here, guys, is set up some sort of a like global manager for rounds. So it's going to take in a list of objects which have a bunch of children objects that are all spawners, and then anytime this next round gets called, it's going to go ahead and it could deactivate the spawners, but the spawners should self-destruct once they spawn X amount of enemies. So I don't really need to deactivate anything. All I need to do is activate the next round of spawners. So I just go to that next object and activate it. And I'm pretty sure this is how it works. Because you want it... Yeah. Because once it's at rounds count -1, that's the last one. You don't, once it's there, you don't want it to increase anymore. So this is, I think this is right. Pinky GG, thanks for the follow. Thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Hope you're enjoying the stream. Okay, so this looks good. And now when this is called, or this gets called whenever the enemy count reaches 0. Once you call the enemies, it goes to the next round. So let's go ahead and save this. Let's go here. The type or namespace name game objects. Oh, that would make sense, wouldn't it? Here. Game object. Not game objects. That should fix a little something. No. Water manager does not contain definition for end round. Oh. I put the wrong thing here. Not end round. Next round. Okay, cool. Now it should work. Maybe. Yo, no errors. Yes, sir. Love no errors. All right. So scripts settings. Scenes scripts. I want to go to scenes. That's what I want to do. I kind of got lost in the sauce. Okay. Let's go ahead and what? Oh, why does this one have the round manager in the sample scene? Oh, because the rounds. Oh, okay, hold on. I mixed these up. That's not good. So let's call this endless scene. And then this one is the one that's going to have the rounds. Rename rounds scene. Let's not have 2Ds in there. 1D. 1D only. Okay. Let's go here. We're in the round scene. And now the game manager already has this. I mean, I guess we could do this, but I don't think it actually uses that, so I don't think you really need that. Do that. And then we're going to make an empty object and call this round 1. And then it's going to be this and this, put in round 1. And I'm going to make another empty object called rounds. And it's just going to be a folder for all the rounds. So then create empty round 2. And then we're going to put in the game manager, we're going to put this and this. Okay, we'll put this in here and then put this in here. Okay. So now round 2. So round 1 is these 2 spawners. It's going to be, I have it written down here. It is 10 regular flies. Oh, is round 1. Okay. So let's copy this and let's paste it into here. And then let's just move this over to here. Okay. This is a huge, like, it's not that big as in like it's doing a whole lot, but I just made like a ton of changes, and so if it doesn't work, it could be any number of things that went wrong. But let's see. Let's maximize this. Look at some good gameplay in here. I feel like the graphics look terrible in Unity. Alright, so all these enemies are coming out. This is good. Oh, give me... Oh, okay, it's fine. Alright. Yeah, so there's still some buggy enemies, obviously. That's interesting. that is very interesting. Okay, so now object reference not set to an instance of an object. Okay. Oh, actually, yeah, that's completely wrong. Yeah, that did not work at all how it should have. So let's open this up. This is printing from the rounds, right? Yes, it's printing round 0. Oh. Let's try this again. And when does it print round 1? Oh my gosh, the knockback is crazy on this. Also, I don't know why it's... Oh, wait. That's part of it. Part of it is that round 2 has to be set to inactive. Also... I don't want 2 of those. I want that. Yes. Okay, now let's try this. Okay. I had the wrong spawners places. Stuff wasn't even deactivated. It was a mess. Okay. So now we just have these guys spawning, which is what we want. Interesting that there's a trigger here, or there's a coal. Yeah, there's something going on with here. I think it's related to the spawners. I thought because it was a trigger, it wouldn't have done anything, but I think it did. Okay. I think this is working as planned. All right. I think this is doing good. Yeah, and then it printed one again. Oh, actually. No, I'm gonna have to change this up because if you... So as of right now, it's whenever the... So whenever the enemy count hits 0 is when we're going to the next round. But what if one enemy spawns and then you kill that enemy? There's still 30 more that are going to spawn in this round. But if you kill the first enemy before the second one spawns, then you just instantly end the round. So I have to make sure that all the spawners are gone. Is there a way to... Yo, Joe Asfek. Thank you. I'm sorry if I butchered your name. But Joe Asfek, thank you so much for the follow. Appreciate it, man. Thank you very much. But I need to know if there's a way to, in Unity, count the number of child objects. I think you can. Yeah, child count. So you call child count on a transform, and yeah, let's get this over on the screen. So if you call, where is this at? Transform parent, transform, where is this? Oh, transform child count. I guess parent is not included in the count, and the inactive game objects get included in the count. That's fine. So if I call this, so I'll have to make this call every update is what's gonna have to happen. Is on every, let's go to the round manager. On every update, we're gonna have to do rounds current round to transform dot, what is it? Is it just child count or like yes, child count. Child count. So I actually want to do if this equals 0. Then okay, so then ready. So we're gonna call this private boolean is ready, or we could do like is round done equals false. Then put this in a statement. If the round's done, then you do this. And also do this. Oh my gosh. Guys, Waffle wants to say hi. Everyone say hi to Waffle. Waffle, say hi. Waffle says hi. He was trying to eat my headphones, so he gets to say hi. Alright, so now it only does this if there is no... so yeah, if there's no children, which means there's no active spawners left. If no active spawners left, this will be 0. And the round has been completed. Do, 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 do. Oh, oops, not what I wanted to do. Also. Ah, cool. Okay, so now in the game manager script, when there's no more enemies left, it calls next round, and next round only goes to the next round if this round is done, which means all the spawners have been removed. And we still have to do is round done equals true here. And then once you do this, let's set is round done to false. And I don't like the spacing, so we're gonna do this. Okay, now let's just do this one more time. Forgot that seat back there. Okay. All right, now let's see what's going on. Also, for anyone that's sticking around still, I stream Monday, Wednesday, 5 to 7 Eastern Standard Time. I may or may not stream this Wednesday just because of Thanksgiving. I think I might end up going home Thanksgiving over to my parents' house, so I won't have my setup there. I might not be streaming this Wednesday, but I almost always stream Monday, Wednesday, 5 to 7. I try to post all the VODs on the YouTube channel that's linked in my Twitch description. And so please come around if you're enjoying the content. Please feel free to come around again or check out the VODs on the YouTube channel. I always post devlogs on the website, so you can see when the last time when the game's been updated is. So feel free to play it whenever you feel like it there. Feel free to leave feedback in the comment section on the website if you don't want to say anything in the stream, or you play it when I'm not streaming. I think next week I'm gonna try and fix a lot of the bugs with this. I'm gonna probably just try and get a few rounds pushed out here, and then it's gonna be bug fix, because I've noticed a lot of bugs today when I'm showing it off. And once I get most of the bugs tweaked and fixed, I'll push a final copy out, or not a final copy, but I'll push a new version out to the website, and then you'll be a much better version on the website to play. Because the website and the version is functioning right now, but I think I've made a lot of quality of life updates and a lot of I think it feels a lot better than it does last time I updated it to the website. So make sure you check that out. If not now, then next week or the week after, there should be some updates pushing soon. I say that because it is closing in on 7 p.m. here. Does anybody have anybody that they would like me to raid? Because I'm definitely going to keep the raid train going. I did not have anybody in mind, but if anybody has somebody that they want me to raid, I'd prefer like smaller creator just so we can get a little more. I want to kind of pay it forward, but I've never raided before. I'm gonna have to figure out how to do this. This is crazy. Oh, interesting. Alright, if anybody has anybody that they want me to raid, let me know. But for the meantime, I'm gonna look on Twitch to see if I can find anybody. Let's see. Find somebody in software and game dev. What do we got? Oh dang, this guy's got some cool skeletons going. Bruh, stop playing Twitch clips. Alright. I hope this works. It looks like it's gonna work. Alright guys, I really hope this works. Hopefully this raid works. I've never raided before. But once again, appreciate all you guys for coming on. Wish you guys the best of the rest of your week. See you guys.